Hey y'all, my name is Tammy. Welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell twice so you'll be notified to all my new videos. Please give me a thumbs up. It will help my channel to grow. Also, please share and comment down below. So I thought I'd do a planner video that I haven't done in quite a while. Most of the products that I'll be using, I will be doing using some stickers from Happy Planner. And the planner that I use is this one right here. It is a health planner. It's the Wellness Edition, Happy Planner Wellness Edition. This is the one I've been using for 2020. And a lot of times I've been using the wellness stickers in it. But this was actually, if you follow me on Instagram, I do post every week on it. And I'll just show you if you didn't see. This was my last spread here for last week. And then of course this was the week of July, the first week of July. What I've done is I've gone through my old Happy Planner stickers, and if you don't know what Happy Planner is, I can post up here in the right hand side an old Happy Planner open box video for you that'll tell you all about Happy Planner. And there's a new one coming out for July. You can actually sign up through me, through Stampin' Up, and order Paper Pumpkin. I'm sorry, I kept saying Happy Planner. I'm sorry. Paper Pumpkin. Where is my brain? Because I'm doing Happy Planner, that's why. Trying to say Paper Pumpkin kits. I'm using my old Paper Pumpkin kit stamps. I'll get it right. I'm sorry. So, I'll post a video of my last Paper Pumpkin open box so you can kind of get an idea of what comes in it, and you can watch that. Know about it if you don't know about the Paper Pumpkin. And if you would like to order the new Paper Pumpkin for August, that is coming out, and you can order that through me. And if you order now in July, you can use this host code right here. This is my July host code. Okay, and I'll also post it down in the description box. And these are great for paper crafters, so no matter what kind of paper craft you do. Planning, card making, even if you're brand new at card making, brand new at any kind of paper crafting, this is just great for anybody, any kind of crafting really. And you always have stuff left over. And you can use it however you want, whether it's card making, planning, whatever. So, like I said, this was leftover. These are the stamps that I'm using, and these are all leftover from last year. These stamps I'm using, these are leftover from kits from last year. Washies to kind of match here. I don't know if I probably won't use all those washi tapes. I just knew that's what matched, so I grabbed what I thought looked good. Didn't know what I wanted to use yet. I'll put some music on. I also have some yellow still from sitting here from last week's, so I might throw some yellow in somewhere. But I'm gonna put all these right here. I'll put those in there too, so I'll know where they're at. They don't get lost. Enjoy this, and remember, if you like this video and enjoy these types of videos, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, also remember to subscribe. And remember, when you subscribe, to click the all notifications so that you'll be notified when I make my videos. And remember to please share. Doing this helps my channel to grow, and I'd appreciate it very much. Also, if you'd leave me a comment when you watch so that I know that you are watching and enjoying my videos. I do answer all my comments back. You just don't know how much I appreciate when you do these things. Those of you that do it, it really does warm my heart that you do this. And I mean, I really do appreciate it so much that you do this, because like I said, it helps me, it helps my channel, everything, because without you doing this, you know, I just feel like I'm, you know, doing this basically for myself. YouTube right now, but it's just crazy. The videos getting out there for y'all to watch it. It's getting hard. There's another washi tape. This is actually a Stampin' Up! Washi tape. That would probably match really well. That one's a retired one. Anyway, yeah, I do definitely appreciate when y'all help my channel out. So let's just get on into it. I've got all my stamps already on blocks and ready to go. y'all, so here is my planner. I'm done with it, except for filling out what I'll be doing this week, and I usually do that kind of as I go, unless I know exactly what I need to put in. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. So, and I'll put in a few things more too, like I said, as I go. So I'll zoom in a little bit more so you can see a little bit. There you go. See now a little closer up. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, give me a comment down below, and also please share. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I thank you very much for watching. And I will be putting pictures, as always, on my Instagram, so all that information will be down in the description box below for Instagram and Facebook and all that. And if you do planning, let me know down below if you like this kind of video. Leave me a comment and share your images, share your pictures and stuff on my Facebook. I have a Facebook group, Southern Angel Stamping, so yeah, go over there and just share your stuff. Let me see. So I thank you very much for watching, and y'all have a very blessed day. I'll see you again soon.